Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Question 21. Radiation of wavelength lambda is incident on a photocell and the fastest emitted electron has a speed v. We know the photoelectric equation, which means that Ke max, the maximum value of the kinetic energy, is equal to hc by lambda minus phi, where phi is the work function. So basically half mv squared is equal to hc by lambda minus phi, which gives me v is equal to root 2 by m into root of hc by lambda minus phi. And now you have another wave with a wavelength of 3 lambda by 4. So in the next case, what you'll have is v maximum, let's say v dash maximum, is equal to root 2 by m times. Now lambda will be replaced by 3 lambda by 4. So you'll have 4 hc by 3 lambda minus phi, and you'll have the root of this as well. So what we need is the speed of the fastest electron in terms of v. So v dash by v will be root 4 by 3 hc by lambda minus phi by root of hc by lambda minus phi. And we need to know what this value is in relation to root of 4 by 3. Well, what we can see is root of 4 by 3 hc by lambda minus 4 by 3 phi. Let's just look at this for a second. Divided by root of hc by lambda minus phi. We know what this is. This is equal to root of 4 by 3 because root hc by lambda minus phi will cancel. So this is equal to root of 4 by 3. This is the same thing in the denominator, but the numerator is actually bigger, right? Because this is root of 4 hc by 3 minus 4 by 3 phi, but this is only minus phi. So it's greater than this numerator by 5 by 3. So this number has to be greater than root of 4 by 3, which gives me v dash is greater than v times root of 4 by 3, which means the answer is option 1. This completes the solutions. Thank you.